Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a hotspot on your MG. So I am on the MG S5 EV, and if you want to just go over and open settings, then you will see the hotspot section. Now once you enable the hotspot, as you guys can see here, you will have the vehicle name and hotspot password. If you don't want to enter the password like this, you can easily just put something way easier. So for example, let's do this one. And as you guys can see, it's at least 8 characters, English alphabet, number, and a special sign. So we're gonna click OK. Now if you go to your phone, you should see the network, and you can also change the hotspot network frequency band. You can reset it, and as you guys can see, I do have the network here, so I'll just click on it. Let me quickly enter the password, and once I enter the password, I should see that we are joining the MG network and we are connected. We got the check mark. Everything is just fine. So here we have connected devices 1. It's an iPhone, and it's the iPhone that I have used to connect to our car. So that's how you guys can do it. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.